and to indeed say how proud I am to see all you wonderful young people and the great job that you're doing here, and to give you my personal assurance that as we have supported you from the beginning, we shall continue to do so. This is what we are looking for. This is what we are aiming to be a nation of highly skilled, highly trained young men and women, with a government and a nation that is capable of producing the kind of jobs that can give you the kind of returns that will, at the end of the day, justify the education that you have undergone. And on this, you can continue to count on my continued support. So to all of you who have been involved, we know there are many other projects and programs that we are looking into that over the course of this year and next, we shall be launching one at a time. But let me say, today is a day of great pride and honor for me. I thank you all for your efforts, and it is now my distinct honor and high privilege as the Commander-in-Chief of the Republic of Kenya to declare the Small Arms Factory, which is part of our National Security Industrial Network, officially commissioned and open for business. I wish you God's blessings as we continue to pray for God's mercy for our country. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much. Hongera sana. Well done. Keep it up and shame the devil.